Hello my dear kids. Once again welcome back to our maths class. Children, in our previous class we revised multiplication tables from 1 to 5. I hope you have learned these multiplication tables very well. Children, today in this class first we are going to learn multiplication tables from 6 to 10. First, let's learn the table of 6. 6 1 is 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. Let's repeat the table of 6 once again. 6 1 is 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. Now let's learn the table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Now let's repeat the table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Now let's learn the table of 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. Once again, let's revise the table of 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. Now let's learn the table of 9. 9 1 is 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. Now, let's once again revise the table of 9. 9 1 is 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. Let's learn the table of 10. 10 1 is 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 3s are 30. 10 4s are 40. 10 5s are 50. 10 6s are 60. 10 7s are 70. 10 8s are 80. 10 9s are 90. 10 10s are 100. Now, let's once again revise the table of 10. 10 1 is 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 3s are 30. 10 4s are 40. 10 5s are 50. 10 6 are 60. 10 7s are 70. 10 8s are 80. 10 9s are 90. 10 10s are 100. Next, we are going to learn multiplication as repeated addition. Children, we can define the term multiplication as multiplication means to add the same number repeatedly. So, let's understand this concept with the help of the following examples. Children, look at this picture carefully. Can you observe anything here? Yes, here you can see some apples in each basket. Children, tell me how many apples are there in each basket? Yes, let's count. In the first basket, there are 1, 2 apples. And in the second basket also, there are 2 apples. And in the third basket also, there are 2 apples. So, in each basket, there are 2 apples, isn't it? Children, now can you tell me how many baskets are there? Yes, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 baskets are there. So, we have seen that there are 3 baskets and in each basket there are 2 apples. Now, we can find the total number of apples. Children, how will you find the total number of apples? To find the total number of apples, first we have to add the number of apples in the first basket, then number of apples in the second basket, and then the number of apples in the third basket. So, in the first basket there are 2 apples and in the second basket also there are 2 apples and in the third basket also there are 2 apples. So, to find the total number of apples, we should add 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, we can write 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, 2 plus 2 equal to, yes, 4 and 4 plus 2 equal to, yes, 6. So, the answer is 6. So, total number of apples equal to, yes, 6. Now, we have find the total number of apples by repeatedly adding the number 2. This is called repeated addition. So, we can write repeated addition. So here we have find the total number of apples by adding 2 plus 2 plus 2. So the answer is 6. So we have done it by repeated addition. Now we are going to find the total number of apples by multiplication. Since we have 3 baskets with 2 apples each. So to find the total number of apples by multiplication, first we have to multiply the number of apples in each basket with number of baskets. That is, by multiplication, we have to multiply number of apples in each basket with number of baskets. Number of baskets. So here the number of apples in each basket equal to, yes, 2 into number of baskets. Number of baskets equal to how many? Yes, 3. So 2 into 3 equal to, yes, 2 3s are 6. So total number of apples equal to 6. So here we have find the total number of apples by multiplication. Here 2 into 3 means 2 is added how many times? Yes, 3 times. I repeat, 2 into 3 means the number 2 is added 3 times. And the answer is 6. So here the statement 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6 is called addition fact. Addition fact. And the statement 2 into 3 equal to 6 is called multiplication fact. Multiplication fact. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6 is called addition fact. And the statement 2 into 3 equal to 6 is called multiplication fact. From this example, it is clear that we can find the multiplication by repeated addition. Or we can say that multiplication is repeated addition. Children, let's take one more example. Look at this picture carefully. Can you observe anything here? Yes, here you can see some flowers in each box. Children, tell me how many flowers are there in each box? We can count 1, 2, 3. So in the first box, there are 3 flowers. And in the second box also there are 3 flowers. And in the third box also there are 3 flowers. 3, 3, 3. So in each box there are 3 flowers, isn't it? Now can you tell me how many boxes are there? Yes, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes are there. So we can see that there are 3 boxes with each box having 3 flowers. Now we can find the total number of flowers. First we can find the total number of flowers by repeated addition. For that, we can add the number of flowers in each box. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3. To find the total number of flowers by repeated addition, we can add the number of flowers in each box. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 3 equal to 6 and 6 plus 3 equal to 9. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 9. So there are total 9 flowers. So we have find the total number of flowers by repeated addition. Now we can find the total number of flowers by multiplication. To find the total number of flowers by multiplication, first we should multiply the number of flowers in each box by number of boxes. So to find the total number of flowers by multiplication, we should multiply the number of flowers in each box, that is 3 into number of boxes. There are 3 boxes, isn't it? So 3 into 3. 3 threes are? Yes, 3 threes are 9. So total number of flowers equal to 9. So here we have find the total number of flowers by repeated addition and multiplication. Here the statement 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 9 is called addition fact. Addition fact. And the statement 3 into 3 equal to 9 is called multiplication fact. Multiplication fact. Here the multiplication 3 into 3 means the number 3 is repeated how many times? Yes, 3 times. So here we have find the total number of flowers by repeated addition and multiplication. Children, from these two examples, we can conclude that multiplication is repeated addition. Children, please take page number 60. Let's do exercise 1.1. First question, write the following repeated additions as multiplication. Here one example has been done for you. Here the question is, here some numbers are given as repeated additions and we have to write it as multiplication. Here one example has been given for you. The first example is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Children, here the number 3 is given as repeated addition, isn't it? So we should write this number as multiplication. For that, children, look at this number. Here 3 is repeated how many times? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 3 is repeated 4 times, isn't it? So we can write this repeated addition as multiplication. How? Yes, here the number 3 is repeated 4 times. So we can write it as 3 into 4. We know that 3 fours are, yes, 12. Here is our next question. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Children, look at this number. Here the number 1 is written as repeated addition. And we have to write this number as multiplication. For that, first we can find how many times the number 1 is repeated. So we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the number 1 is repeated how many times? Yes, 5 times. So we can write it as multiplication. Here the number 1 is repeated 5 times. So 1 into 5 equal to, yes, 5. Next question, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Children, look at this number. Here the number 4 is repeated. So we can write it as multiplication. For that we can count the number of 4s. 1, 2, 3. Here the number 4 is repeated 3 times. So we can write it as multiplication. 4 into 3. The number 4 is repeated 3 times. That is 4 into 3. Here we can say the table of 4 or 3. And 4 3s are, yes, 12. Next question is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Here the number 10 is repeated. And we can find how many times the number 10 is repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number 10 is repeated 5 times. So we can write it as multiplication. The number 10 into 5. because the number 10 is repeated 5 times. 10 into 5 equal to, yes, 10 5s are 50. So this is a method of writing repeated addition as multiplication. Now we can move to a second question. Write the following multiplications as repeated addition. Here one example has been given for you. Now we are going to learn how to write the multiplication as repeated addition. Here some numbers are given as multiplication and we have to write it as repeated addition. Here the first question is 5 into 3. 5 into 3 means here the number 5 is added 3 times. That means 5 plus 5 plus 5. So the question 5 into 3 means the number 5 is added 3 times. That's equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equal to 10 and 10 plus 5 equal to 15. So the multiplication 5 into 3 can be written as repeated addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 15. Let's do the next question. 2 into 6. 2 into 6 means the number 2 is added how many times? Yes, 6 times. That means we should write the number 2 as repeated addition. That means we should add the number 2 6 times. So we can write it as repeated addition. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the number 2 is added 6 times. Now we should find the answer. 2 plus 2 equal to 4 and 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 8 plus 2 equal to 10 and 10 plus 2 equal to, yes, 12. So the answer is 12. Next question, 3 into 3. 3 into 3 means the number 3 is added 3 times, or we can write the number 3 times as repeated addition. So we can write 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. So the number 3 is written as repeated addition 3 times. Now we should find the answer. 3 plus 3 equal to 6 and 6 plus 3 equal to, yes, 9. So the answer is 9. Next question, 10 into 4. 10 into 4 means the number 10 is added 4 times. That means we should write 10 4 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 equal to 20. 20 plus 10 equal to 30 and 30 plus 10 equal to 40. So the answer is 40. So this is a method of writing multiplication as repeated addition. Children, please take page number 67. Let's do exercise 1.2. The first question is, tick the answer that matches the multiplication fact on each but. Here one example has been done for you. Here some multiplication facts are given. We should tick the correct answer from the given options. Here the first question is 2 into 9. Here we can say the table of 2 or 9 and 2 9s are, yes, we should tick the correct answer. Here the options are 15, 12 and 18. So 2 9s are 18. So we should tick 18. Next question is 4 into 5. Here 3 options are given, 20, 25 and 21. We should choose the correct answer. We know that 4 into 5 equal to 4 5s are 20. So we should tick 20. Next question, 5 into 7. Here the options are 40, 45, 35. Here we can say the table of 5 or 7 and 5 7s are, yes, 35. So we should tick 35. Next question, 2 into 8. Here the options are 16, 65, 66. Here we can say the table of 2 or 8. 2 8s are 16. So the answer is 16. Let's do the second question. Draw a line to the answer that matches the multiplication fact given in each cloud. Here one has been done for you. We should choose the correct answer of the multiplication fact given in the cloud. And we should match the correct answer. The first question is 3 into 7. Here the options are 14, 21 and 20. But the correct answer is 3 sevens are 21. So we should match 21. Next question is 2 into 5. And we should choose the correct answer from 10, 11 and 12. We know that 2 5s are, yes, 10. So we should match 10. Next question is 3 into 8. Here the options are 23, 24 and 25. Say the table of 3 or 8. So we can say the table of 3 and 3 8s are 24. So the correct answer is 24. So match 24. Next is 10 into 6. Here the options are 60, 62 and 96. We know that 10 6 are 60. So match the correct answer. So the answer is 60. Okay children, let's wind up the class. Children, you should keep in mind that practice makes perfect. So you should practice multiplication tables at home. So thank you my dear children. See you all in the next class.